Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery on your Toyota Highlander key fob. This is a simple, do-it-yourself task that takes only a few minutes. You will need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common type, and a small flathead screwdriver or your key fob's emergency key. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. First, press the small button on the side of your key fob to release and slide out the emergency key. Next, look for a small notch, usually located near where the emergency key was housed. Insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to force it. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver or a small, non-metallic tool. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, typically with the positive side facing upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing up. It should snap securely into place. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.